In this video, I am gonna share with you art supplies for beginners in a very low price. I am Vatsal Bhardwaj and this is video number 9 on basic art supplies for beginners. I'll start by showing you a portrait which I basically sketched using all the art materials listed in this video and then go over all the art supplies.
I sketched this portrait when I started taking art a bit more serious about 5 years ago.
Let's get started. The paper I used is of Classmate.
Or regular A3 sketchbooks which are very easily available in the markets on any of the bookstores. These are likely above 100 GSM, which is quite good to start. And for regular practices or studies, I basically recommend these photocopier A4 sized paper because these are very cheap and easily available in the market. For pencils, I use Apsara sketching pencil, and you can also use Artline sketching pencil. Pretty much there are various other options in the market. To erase, I like a kneaded eraser because I can shape it to erase large areas or small details. It also doesn't fall apart while you are erasing, and you can knead it to clean up a bit. You can also use this Doms retractable eraser which is of 25 rupees, or you can use this Kohinoor's pencil eraser which you can get around 80 to 90 rupees in the local market.
And now let's quickly talk about blending. For blending, I personally recommend and use
Cotton buds, tissue paper. You can also use any of the soft brushes or blending stumps to achieve a more smoother blending tone.
That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Share it with your friends, like it, share it, and subscribe to this channel. And if you had already subscribed, hit the bell icon so you can get an instant notification when I upload a new video up.